How are you? Today I am starting this class with a small story. And this story happened a long years ago. Okay? At that time, the country was ruled by a king. And the king provided lands for the farmers. For what? For farming. But one condition is that, so if they provide the land, they have to pay money, that is tax, for using their land. Okay? So every year they are paying this money for this king. So one day what happened? One of the farmers' families, and this farmer couldn't pay the tax. So this farmer was caught by the king and he was punished by him. He was tied in that land and asked to pay this money. But see, he was unable to find. So you have to pay the tax according to the size of the land. But he was unable to find the measure of the space. The king ordered, you have to pay the tax after finding the measure of the space. He continued, you find out. Her mother came and cried. So we will try to find the space of the land. Then you pay the tax. And that is the story happened a long years back. Okay? So what do you understand? So you have to pay the tax by measuring the space of the land. And today it is happening. You have to find the measure of the space. Now we are going to study how to find the measure of the space. Space is there, all are buying plot. Yes or no? And here also this farmer was tied in a plot, but he could not find the measure. So you want to learn how to find the measure of the space. Ready or not ready? Yes. Today we have to learn this. Yes. You have to measure. You have to study in future also when you are constructing your house. And all got one paper. Okay? And all of you draw a closed figure. Any closed figure you can draw. And take your pencil. You can draw. I am also drawing with you. Along with you, I am also drawing my figure. You start. That figure should be closed. Finished? Shade it. Very good. Then after shading this, we have to name it. So that shaded portion, we can give a new name. And what is that? Region. So region means the space inside the figure. And the next is how to measure this. How to measure this space. Yes. So orange color is the shaded portion. And he is showing. And now you look, the region of this board screen. So which region is bigger? That board's region or the screen's region? Screen's region is bigger. Why?
The space inside the flannel board is smaller than the screens.
Very good. So due to comparison, we can compare. So which region is bigger? So compare your maths textbook and maths notebook. We can compare the region keeping one over the other. So which region is bigger? Maths textbook or notebook? Maths textbook, because the space covered is small. And this is the method of comparison. So we can keep one over the other. So the black color star is extended more. So here, this is a set of books for maths notebook. Then I am calling 2 students to cover this. Can they cover the space? No. So they are trying for the rectangle. If it is not possible, I am giving you a box. So we can avoid that figure. Don't take that figure then. If it is not possible, the rectangle is not possible. So here one box is for you. Okay? You can take it. And another box is also I kept it. Select. What is this? You find out, and if it is possible, you can put it in the select box. If it is not possible, you can put it in the avoid box. Not possible? So what is written? Square, the smartest figure to find the space. So we can put this in the box select. So here the square with all sizes are same. So we selected, we can call unit squares for finding the space. So here we can tell approximate how many squares are there. You count the full squares.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
So how many squares you got?
6
6 what?
square.
So 6 squares. So 6 square units approximately.